if your iPhone Air stops working or maybe you forgot the password, you can bring it back with a proper restore. So let's see how to enter recovery or DFU mode and fully restore it to getting it working again. So it's really important to make sure first to get an MFI certified Apple cable. So you can either do it from a Mac or Windows. So if you got a MacBook, so plug one side into your MacBook and then grab your phone. Just press and hold down the volume up and power key, turn it off, and then plug it into the cable, and then simultaneously plug it into the cable and keep pressing on the power button until it ends up into recovery mode. If you're using a Windows, just make sure to open Microsoft Store before that, and then search for Apple Devices app and just install it to your Windows. Just plug in the iPhone Air with your Windows and take it into recovery mode by the same way. If Apple Devices app is opened up, you'll get this pop-up and you can select Restore from here. Now we're going to do it from a MacBook. After connecting them, if there is any connection pop-up, just hit Allow. Finder will open up, showing your iPhone at the top. Now, as you know, this will delete and erase all data from your iPhone. Doesn't matter from where you're restoring it. If you're okay with that, just hit the Restore button and then hit Update and Restore. And then all you gotta do is just wait patiently. Now, in the middle of any process, if your iPhone disconnects, just take it into recovery mode by the same process and then just hit Update and Restore. Just make sure your Mac's connected to a fast and functional internet connection. Now, it'll first prepare for the update, and then it will start restoring your iPhone Air. As you can see, it'll show in the progress bar at the bottom and the ETA of the whole process. Now, after restore is completed, you'll get to see this pop-up, and at the other end, your iPhone will take a rather lengthy restore by showing Apple logo for a while. With this progress bar, just make sure not to disconnect your iPhone Air from the device you've restored it. Now, when it restored into setup mode, if you want, you can disconnect it. Now, you will see it's got activation log if Apple ID was signed in with your iPhone. Just swipe up and just start setting up your iPhone. Along the way, when you get the prompt, just put down your Apple ID and password to remove the activation log. And then just go ahead and complete the rest of the setup process. And hopefully, the reason you've restored your iPhone Air is no longer there. It's working properly now. Thanks for watching.